Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is another lesson for learning the translation of the Holy Quran in a very easy way. Today we'll inshallah learn two more words. You can see on your screen this word ilah. It means to or towards. You can see here ilah. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है की तरफ. And the example you can see, chapter 17, verse 2. Minal masjidil harame ilal masjidil aqsa. So you can see min, we'll learn it later, inshallah. But it means from or out of. So minal masjidil harame, from, min, from. Al masjid, the mosque, al haram, sacred, the sacred. Ila, towards or to. Al masjid, the mosque, al aqsa, far. So min al masjid al haram ila al masjid al aqsa. So ila means to or towards. मस्जिद हराम से मस्जिद अक्सा की तरफ लेकर. इला means की तरफ. From the sacred mosque to the distant mosque. So ila is another word we learned today, means towards or to. The second word we are learning is means kya. It's also used to ask question, is, am, or, do. And the example is chapter 2, verse 215. Am hasibtum an tadkhulul jannata. Do hasibtum, you think, do you think, hasibtum, hasibtum, do you think, an, that. And we learn this word again later, inshallah. An means that. Tadkhulul jannah, tadkhulu, that you, all of you, enter al jannata, the garden or the heaven. So is a letter which means kya or is, am, or do. Hasibtum, kya ख्याल करते हो तुम. hasibtum. An के तदखुलू, तुम दाखिल हो जाओगे, तुम सारे के सारे दाखिल हो जाओगे अल जन्नता, जन्नत में. Again, has another meaning and it means whether. Yeah. So here is used to ask a question and you will see the context. जो सियाक़ो सबाक़ होगा उसमें आपको पता लग जाएगा यहाँ पे क्या मतलब है. तो का एक मतलब है क्या, एक मतलब है या और whether. अंज़रताहुम अम लम तुंज़िरहुम. Again, just ask question, whether you warn them, or whether lam not tunzirum, you warn them. Anzartahum lam tunzirum. So here means whether. So we learn two meanings of One is used to ask a question and other is whether. Anzartahum lam tunzirum. खा तू डराए उनको, हम या लम नहीं तुनजिरहुम, तू डराए उनको. तो ये के दो मानी हैं. एक है मतलब या और एक है क्या. मैंने आपको ये मिसालें भी दे दी हैं. I always request you to please find more examples from the Holy Quran so that you understand the meanings of those verses. Wherever these words come, which you have learned today or in the previous lessons, try to find them while you are reciting the Holy Quran and see if you can understand the meanings of those verses. So inshallah ta'ala, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.